How's it going, everyone? This is an example of how to calculate the mean, median, and mode of a set of values. So the mean value, often represented with the Greek lowercase m called mu if you're working with a population mean, or if you're working with a sample mean, it's represented with the variable that represents the random variable you're collecting data on. In our case, we'll just use an x, that variable with a bar on top, x bar. And in either case, what the mean value is equal to, it's the sum of all of your data points divided by the number of data points. So in our case, the sum of all of our data points is 1 plus 2 plus 6 plus 4 plus 6 plus 3 divided by the number of data points, which is 6. There are 6 data points here. So adding them up, a trick to add things up quickly is look for groups of 10. Okay, in our case, we have a 4 and a 6, and that makes 10. If you run out of groups of 10, you can look for other easy numbers to create. For example, this is a 3 right here because it's a 1 plus a 2, and this is another 3. So together, that gives us a 6, and then we have another 6 here, which together is a 12. Combined with that 10, we have 12 plus 10, which is 22. So 22 divided by 6 gives 3.67. Now here I'm rounding to 2 decimal places. If you round to a different number of decimal places, you'll get a slightly different answer, but we'll stick to 2, so our mean value is 3.67. So that's the mean, also known as the average. Now, the median is the middle number if you put your numbers in order from smallest to largest. So if we do that, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, and 6. And to find the number in the middle, we just have to cancel out pairs of large and small numbers, so largest and smallest numbers. So there's our 1 and 6, cancel those out. Next pair of largest and smallest, 2 and 6. And now we're in the middle because if we cancel out one more pair, there's nothing left. So we actually have 2 numbers left in the middle. If you're looking for the median and you end up with 2 numbers left in the middle, you take the average or the mean of those 2 values. So in our case, 3 plus 4 divided by 2, that's going to give us 7 over 2, which is a 3.5. That's the median. So we have a median of 3.5 and a mean value of 3.67. Notice how they are close, but they are not identical. They don't have to be identical, but they're usually close. Now, we have to find the mode. So the mode is the most common number in a data set. So in our case, 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, and 6. The most common number is the 6 because it appears twice. So that's our mode. The mode of this data set is 6, which actually is not close to 3.5 or 3.67, and that's okay. The mode doesn't need to be around the center. It's just the number that appears most often. If there is more than one value that appears most often, if it's a tie, then you have more than one mode, and that's fine. If there's no number that appears more than once, then there is no mode, and that's fine as well. So that's how you find mean, median, and mode. If you're looking to review more statistics, there is a link to a statistics lectures playlist in the description of this video, and that includes information on the mean, the median, and the mode. So I hope that helps, and Until next time.